Put the kit ID in the search box to access the latest kit documentation. Here is the overview of the kit. Here you can find the related video. These are the tools you need to build this kit. This is the inventory of the kit, including PCB, resistors, capacitors, transistors, and a buzzer. This is the PCB of the kit, and this is the circuit schematic of the kit. These are the resistors of the kit. You might have 4 bands or 5 band resistors in your kit. This is 4 band color coding for 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is 5 band color coding for 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is 4 band color coding for 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is 5 band color coding for 1 kilo ohm resistor. These are the resistor spots in this kit. Mount the resistors in place, bend the leads at the back, solder them, and cut the excess leads. Capacitors. This kit uses 2 capacitors, and they should be soldered in spots called C1 and C2. Electrolytic capacitors have polarities. To place the component correctly, the positive and negative legs should be identified. The positive leg is longer, the negative leg is shorter. On the body of the capacitor, there is a white band pointing to the negative leg. On the PCB, there is a shading on the negative side. These are the capacitor spots on the PCB. The longer leg is positive and it should go to the positive hole. Mount the components in place, bend the leads at the back, solder them, and cut the excess lead. In this section, we are soldering the buzzer. Buzzers have polarity. The positive leg could be identified by a plus mark on the casing of the buzzer. The positive leg should be aligned to the hole with positive sign on the PCB. In some cases, the positive leg is longer than the negative leg. Mount the component in place, bend the leads at the back, solder them, and cut the excess leads. Here we solder the transistor of the kit. This kit uses 3 NPN transistors to be placed to Q1, Q2, and Q3 spots as illustrated here. Mount the component in place, bend the leads at the back, solder them, and cut the excess leads. Make sure the flat side of the transistor matches the flat side of the transistor print on the PCB. This ensures the emitter, collector, and base legs are identified correctly. In this section, we are connecting the power connector. The battery connector should be connected to these spots. The red wire is positive and it should go to the positive hole, and the black wire is negative and it should go to the negative hole. Now connect power connector to the PCB. The red wire connects to positive connector and the black wire connects to the negative spot. Now the assembly of the kit is complete. To test the kit, we need a 9-volt battery. You can use a disposable battery or a 9-volt rechargeable battery. Now you should hear the buzzer beeping. When power supplied to the buzzer, it should sound continuously, but the flip-flop circuit adds the beeping feature instead of continuous sound.